Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of random in a way. I just finished the groceries and I actually ended up with like a pretty epic haul, and I thought I would show you what I picked up. With Thanksgiving around the corner, yes, because by the time you're watching this, Thanksgiving is going to be on, it's coming, Canadian Thanksgiving that is. And then of course some meals for the week and lunch items, and a lot of what you see is very typical of what I would buy for a week's grocery. If I'm doing like a big haul. And I also went to Walmart, which I enjoy because I can get like a little bit of everything. And if you happen to be a meat eater, I actually really enjoy the meat at Walmart. Which to some is like insane, but it's been really good. I've had a really good experience, and that's all I can say. Okay, so without further ado, the groceries. And a smoothie with a broken straw. There's gonna be so much hate already I can see for the straw and the bags, but just like forgive me. This is all I had in the car, and that's the only straw that they had at the place. Anyways, okay, so a little bit of the before, and now I'm going to empty it and explain a little bit of what I got, and we'll go through it together. Of course, I literally have to leave in like 5 minutes to go get my kids from school, but let me give you the quick lowdown on what I bought, throw the milk in the fridge, and then I gotta go get the kids. This is probably my favorite fabric softener, and I also use a ton of white vinegar when I'm washing clothes, especially if it's, you know, something that's sat in the wash a little too long and has a bad smell, like a moldy smell. Vinegar just gets it right out. So those are my laundry situation. I don't know what's happened to all of my dish towels, so I had to buy some new dish towels and then the drying towels kind of thing. These are a bunch of lunch snacks. The kids are obsessed with these cookies, coconut butter. They're a total hit. These look delicious. For mommy, peanut butter ones. Obviously those can't go in lunch boxes with the peanuts, but yummy for at home. Dean loves these for his flight case when he is on the road. They kind of give him like, you know, quench that hunger situation. Special treat. Jack really, he's a hard nugget, that one, to pack for lunch, and he likes those, so I'm getting them. Esme likes these little crackers in her lunch, and Esme also enjoys those in her lunch. More lunch items. We have the cheese string. We have the ham for Jack's sandwiches, cream cheese and bagels. Breakfast, English muffins always go down a hit. Esme loves her blueberries and her raspberry. Did I mention? Those are kind of fun as an alternative to the crackers for lunch. So that's lunches. Now, let's see what else we got going on. I actually just worked with Butterball, go figure, but I am hosting my dad and we're having turkey on Monday. So I got the turkey. We love us some baked broccoli, so I love getting the broccoli florets. It's like a special treat for myself when I don't have to cut all the broccoli, you know? We're gonna be doing some, I think tonight, a Greek salad. So I've got tomatoes, the feta. These olives looked delicious. I love olives. I got some lettuce, some red onion. Oh, cucumbers are great for lunch too, by the way. Dean was thinking about making some sort of beef stroganoff. I think he might need mushrooms. Beef for the beef stroganoff. Egg noodles over here. We just didn't have any left. This is like my kid, my little Jack. He sometimes has a sweet tooth and he really likes peach juice, so whatever. I got the 70% less sugar one. Does that help at all? Who knows? One of my kids drinks water and he ain't one of them, and I don't know what to do about it, so I cave and he let him drink juice. Come at me! Actually don't, because I'm sensitive, so just leave me alone, okay? Okay. I love me a good salami sandwich. Jackie loves himself some breakfast sausages. I'm planning to do a roast likely tomorrow. I might put that in the slow cooker before I go to work, because I'm out actually tomorrow on a work day. Oh, and turkey kielbasa. Jackie loves that. Potatoes, fun fact, I seriously look for PEI potatoes now when I'm at a grocery store because I love PEI and I want to support them and their potato situation. I'm a true Quebecer through and through, and I love this habitant soup, which is a French-Canadian pea soup. You don't even know. This, as hot as it can be with some toast and butter. Stop it, just stop it. And of course, some milk. Did I just go through the whole grocery haul? So yeah, that's kind of like, how many dinners do I get out of that? 1, 2, 3, like 3 dinners, breakfasts, all of lunches this week, and the turkey. Oh, P.S. Walmart has this thing where they price match. They price matched my turkey. I got that Butterball for like $17. Woo woo! The lady at the cash was like, I have never seen a Butterball go for that cheap. Yes. So yeah, so that'll do us now for the whole week, and I won't need to go grocery shopping unless I need something specific. And when it comes to like the way that we do dinners and things, I do tend to order skip the dishes at some point, or pizza or something in the week. So you've got the 2 dinners, pizza, leftovers, and then, you know, by the end of the week we're out getting a few other things, or we do something simple with food I already have on hand, like, you know, a kid's choice meal, chicken nuggets, Annie's mac and cheese, grilled cheese sandwiches, that kind of thing. Because let me tell you, I am just like a regular person. I always feel so inadequate in the land of YouTube, because you have all of these people who prioritize, you know, food preparation, and I totally respect it, and I wish I was that person, but honestly I'm just trying to get by. And so I try to plan for like 2 nice healthy dinners a week, and then, you know, sprinkle in the rest, because I don't know, it's all I can do. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, give this video a thumbs up, tell me what you're cooking for dinner and where you like to do your groceries, because I switch it up. I go to Walmart, I do like a no frills, there's Zehrs, which is like a Loblaws. I'm in Ontario, Canada, by the way, so if all of these names seem very strange, I apologize. Okay, off to get the kids from school, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!